Mami, ang laki. I love you. Ang laki ng pagmamahal ko sa'yo.
Kasi laki mo ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo.
Hindi, sumobra.
Hindi sigaw sila dito.
Di pa bulaklak pa. After nito, wala yung isa yung California.
Hi guys. So today it's my mom's birthday. So for today, we're here. We're here.
It's a chocolate and white chocolate.
Look at this. So we're here for my mama's birthday. This is my chubby mom, and it's her birthday. Happy birthday, mom. That's my brother, and that's my sister-in-law. This is my sister-in-law. This is all the food. And my sister has this hand thingy on her henna. What? Henna. Henna?
This is called henna.
Henna?
It's not a real tattoo.
Yeah. Okay, let's walk around. Oh, this is my second brother. Hi, boys.
What's up, bro?
Hi guys. Welcome to my vlog.
This is the birthday woman. The birthday woman.
Birthday girls.
Puro abnormal sa mga anak ko.
Woman yan.
Woman yan.
Hi.
Our superwoman.
Hi! Alam mo na cake ka kanina? Puno ng pinggan? It's not chicken. It's pork.
It's chicken. And then do you know how much he ate? Bro, he ate a lot of, like, it was almost finished after he ate the kaloy.
Oh my gosh, you finished? Papi, what's your message to
Hi.
mommy? Hi.
I will send message.
No message. No, video message to mommy.
I will send text. Hi mom. Happy birthday.
What?
Wow, pag English sa mga yan, English ka.
Your message to mommy for her birthday.
My mom. I love my mom. I'm done.
It has to be a sentence.
A sentence?
Sentence.
Yeah.
I love my mom so much.
Three sentences.
My mom is fat.
Yeah.
I love you, mommy.
My message to my mom. The big mom. I love you. And baon ko bukas, please. My love for you is inevitable. I'm saying, that shit.
Ang laki naman eh.
Ito, ko naman lahat.
So yeah, I love you, mommy. I love you. Kasing laki mo ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Pero sumobra ka lang.
Nak, dapat yung laki mo ang pagmamahal mo sa akin.
Hindi,
Kasi mas
sumobra
malaki
lang. Hindi, matangkad ako.
Wow. Eh di wow.
Nga. Ang laki ng pagmamahal ko sa'yo, Glo. Ganito kalaki, oh.
Maganda nga, hindi na
Pasta inside of chips.
Sprayan lang kasi ni mami.
I mean, this chips and this pasta.
Doon, yung may mga... Yan ang meron na. Okay. I'll get... I got Sprite with lemon.
Ako iced tea at... Oo, tama.
Taco.
Ito mo, taco pizza, taco pasta. Balibo. Put mo.
Right on the side.
Ayan. Oo.
Catch you in the plate. Here. It's not crunchy anymore because you... basag. 100 yan. Uy! Meron ka. Nakapunasan ako. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you.
Happy 50!
Happy 50 kayo dyan. 34.
Right, ang liit.
Chuchu. Ay!
Oh, subo mo lang. Iwan mo yung tinidor. Silong.
Kuya, carry my...
Yeah. Oh, can I also have the lemon sorbet?
Regina's. That's mine.
Ito po kayo lemon sorbet.
And this is my main.
Wow, one more lemon sorbet.
Nakakuhain ka! For the first time, yung anak ko may silbi na.
Sana may mukhang
Hindi ako nga hindi. Oh my God, nagbayad yung anak ko ng... puta, 1-4 pala to, 1-4. Okay.
Ask Tito Ron.
Busog na.
Yan.
Madali ba?